Hi guys, today is our third tutorial in Creo, and today we are going to model this part. This is the top view. You can see this one is the top view. This is the side view when you view from this direction. But when you view from this direction, you see this here. You see this. Therefore, I usually like starting the modeling from this view. I can capture a lot of details. I prefer starting from this view. Therefore, I'm going to start with a cylinder at the 16 by 22 this side, then model this profile here, then model this one extension, then you can have this cutout, then you can model the holes. Therefore, let's start with the cylinders 22 by 16. Therefore, on the top view, select extrude, view normal to the plane. I need two circles here, and we said one is a 22 by 16. For this one, for the 16 one here, it is a radius of 16. Let me hide the planes. Let me please organize them a little bit. 16 by 22, 16 by 22. Then the height is 60 here. Therefore, okay, we need 60, a height of 60. Yeah, height of 60. Therefore, that is our first section. Next is this section here that has an offset of 10 with a height of 10. I'm going to put a plane of 10, then draw this profile, then extrude by 10. Therefore, top plane offset of 10, like that. Okay, this is a plane. On this plane, we extrude normal view. Let me first of all project this circle and this to be a loop, close. Then I need 88. You can see from here is 88. 88. This one is a 40 by 60. Therefore, I'm going to use center rectangle here, like that. And we have seen from this point to this point is 88 by 60 by 60 by 40. Yeah, by 40. Then we need tangent lines. This one is tangent line from this point. Let me select lines again, tangent one from this point to. Okay, let me use a line because for the tangent line you need two circles. Use a normal line from this point to this point. Let me use a center line here. From this point to this point, center line, because I want to mirror this onto this center line. Therefore, I want to mirror this line to the center line here. Then I want these two to be tangent. Select tangent, this and this to be tangent. Then you can delete this segment and this segment, like that. Yeah. Then extrude by up by 10. Up by 10, F to fit. Next I need this section here, that is a height of 30 by 10. This 10, you can see this 10 here, this 10 here, height of 30. Therefore, on this one, extrude, view normal. Let me use this edge as my reference. cross. I want a corner rectangle from that point to this point like that. Therefore, basically, let me also reference this. Therefore, a corner rectangle from this point to this line. That is a 10. Like that. Then I need to extrude by 30. Other direction by 30. Okay. Next is this cutout, that is 3. As you can see, the cutout is 16, is 15. Here it is 15 from this edge to this edge, and of 16. Therefore, on this face here, extrude, view normal, corner rectangle like that, and let me delete this. Yeah, let me just undo. Let me repeat again. I don't want to snap here. Let me do like that for now. Therefore, this becomes 16. Then I need this one to be 15. 15 from this point to this point here to be 16. Then let me use this one as a reference, and this is a reference, close. Then I need this one and this to be tangent, this and this to be tangent. Yeah, predefined. Then extrude this one by 3, depth of 3, like that. Next is these holes here, 10 of diameter, 10 and 8. Therefore, I can use hole command or extrude. Therefore, on this face here, let me view. I want to go to top view on this one here, because I want to attach this one to be my reference and this to be my reference. And placement here, the first one is supposed to be 10. This is supposed to be 8. Then the diameter is here. I'm using a simple hole. Create a simple holes. I'm not using any standard. Depth is, I want to go to depth. You can put in the value here, provided it goes through. Then for the size, for the sound, 10. For the size, for the depth, maybe you can put bigger depth like 50 and say okay. You can copy. I can copy this. I can copy, or let me do the mirror instead of copying. Mirror it to the front plane so that you can get it from the other side. Okay. Then I want to copy and paste. Basically, let me just put another hole here on the placement on this face. Then I want this to be my reference, this to be my reference, therefore this to be 30 and this to be 8. Yeah, and say okay. Otherwise, you can also use extrude. Last 3 is this side holes, 15 by 10, 2 of them on this face here. Let me put a hole there on that face. Therefore, this one is 15. Let me see, 15 by 10. Therefore, this is 15 and this is 10. That's 10. Placement, which is 15. Okay, height is a 10. This one is supposed to be 10. And this is supposed to be 15. Size of 10. Okay. Again, you can select this one here and mirror onto the you can mirror onto the front plane. Okay. and you can hide this axis if you don't want to see them. Then you can go maybe isometric view, and if you want to add some appearance here, maybe you want green, you can come here, select part like that. Okay, and I think we are done. Yeah, that's how you model that part. Thank you. Let's meet in our tutorial number 4.